Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix eBay payments error. Having trouble getting paid or paying for an items on eBay? No worries. Today, I'll show you how to quickly fix eBay payment errors and get back to smooth transactions just by following these few simple steps. So let's get down to these steps together. The first step is to check your payment method. And to do that, you have to go to the eBay website and make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Once logged in, go to my eBay here and click on it and scroll all the way down to payments here. And here you're gonna see the payments methods. Now make sure your PayPal, bank or credit info is updated. Expired cards or restricted PayPal accounts often cause errors. The second thing you want to do is to verify your identity. eBay sometimes requires identity verification. Upload your ID, tax information or bank details under Settings Payments here. For the third step is to clear your outstanding balance. If you owe eBay seller fees, you can't receive payments. Pay your balance under my eBay payments amount due. You're gonna find them here. The fourth step is to check for technical glitches. Clear your browser's cache or use the eBay mobile app and try again in incognito mode or different browser. And for the fifth and final step, you can contact the eBay support if the error remains. Open a ticket with eBay payment support. Once these steps are done, payments should flow normally again. Use backup payments method to avoid order cancellation and keep your PayPal and bank accounts linked properly. This was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.